Do you know a lot of people get blank when they are asked a very simple question in the interview, why should we hire you? And people literally gets blank because they had not done a proper research about the company, their products, their team, their growth, about their fitment, their work culture. And I have personally rejected many people because of this single question. If you can nail this question properly, you can increase your chance of getting shortlisted easily by at least 5 to 10%. So you should know that how you should nail it. Okay. So in this video, I will share with you that what all things you should know before sitting in an interview so that you can answer this question properly. The number one thing that you should know is about the company. What all things you should know about the company? Their products, the fundings, if they are startup funded startup, their fundings, their product positioning, what's the company growth in last 5 years, what's the trend in that particular industry that this company belongs to, okay, what all are the achievements or the growth so far of this company, what all are the good things or the bad things that you can check from the Glassdoor, Ambition Box or any other platform, what their employees are saying about the company or what their customers are saying about that company. Along with that, you can also check out their reviews, the product reviews over G2 Crowd, and there are a lot other platform where you can check their product reviews also, okay, their service and the product reviews also, and their growth projection in next 3 to 5 years. Okay, then you should know your fitment, like what's all your strengths and what all are your weaknesses. Okay, what is your prior experience based on like these the products, the like their good thing, bad thing. You should know that is there any, based on your strengths and the weaknesses and based on this industry and the product, the company, is there any fitment? You should have a right answer to this thing. Okay, and these three factors will help you in getting the answer to this thing: your strengths, weaknesses, your prior experience, and your interest. Okay, this will help you give answer this question properly. Okay, then you should always have some, because whenever you will do a research around the company, okay, definitely you will come up with some queries around their product, their services, anything. Okay, so at least you should have 4 to 5 questions ready with you that you can ask the interviewer at the end of the interview. This will showcase that yes, you had done a good research about the company and you are asking good questions from the interviewer. Okay, this also increases, people underestimate this part, but this also increases your chances of the selection. Hi, my name is Sachin Sharma. I am a job readiness coach who helps aspiring product managers get job ready for this product role. I am having 9 years of experience into the product management, and in these 9 years I had built multiple B2B, B2C, fintech, SaaS and e-commerce products from scratch and scaled them. I have helped hundreds of aspiring product managers so far. Now I'm on a mission to help 1 lakh people get job ready for the product management role. Thank you.